What's up, gang? This is BMW Drives at Greb's Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2025 BMW X5 xDrive40i M Sport. This vehicle is powered by a 3-liter turbocharged inline 6-cylinder with 375 horsepower and 398 pound-feet of torque, mated to a 8-speed automatic transmission. So the X5 xDrive40i is a very, very nice vehicle, of course. It's a classic X5, and this one's the M Sport variant, which will give you a more sporty look. And I believe on the 2025 X5s, I made videos on the sDrive40i, which is the rear-wheel drive, and also the xDrive40i M Sport, which is like the plug-in hybrid. So yeah, you have the iDrive 8 system in this car with the big screen. You have a M Sport steering wheel with shift paddles. You have a head-up display, which I think is off right now. And then you put the vehicle in reverse. You have a backup camera. You have a black interior in here. Nice headrests, which are comfortable. You also have the X5 badge over there and ambient lights, Harman Kardon sound system. You have a panoramic sunroof, which is cool. And you also have a wireless charging tray over there, as you can see. Great placement for that wireless charging tray. And here's a new key fob from BMW. Pretty standard style. Sport mode. Let's walk around this car and see what it looks like, and we'll go for a drive. Exterior finished in, I believe this is black sapphire metallic, or it looks like it. You have the M Sport wheels, LED headlights with the blue pieces in there, which look cool. And not all M Sports come with the blacked out grille. This is an example of that. Blackout trim on the M Sports. Here's the rear seats with heated rear seat function. xDrive40i badge on the back. Dual outlet exhaust. And you can lower this bottom bench or split tailgate to use it as a bench or to load groceries or bigger items in there as well. And I really like the taillights on the X5. I think they look really cool. But let's take it out for a quick spin. The seats are pretty comfortable, really nice support, and they feel very cushy as well, which is a nice feeling. And this powertrain is fantastic in all BMWs that has it. Very quick shifting, very nice brisk acceleration. The steering is really good in this car too, as you can see. Like, this is a really, really nice SUV to daily drive. In terms of styling, driving experience, technology, practicality, all of it is really, really good. Really, really smooth ride despite being in the sports setting. Look at that off the line acceleration and power delivery. That's awesome. But we have now returned to Grubbs Family Dealerships, so that concludes today's video on this 2025 BMW X5 xDrive40i M Sport. Nice driving SUV as always. X5s are one of my favorite SUVs on the market. Always amazing, regardless of the trim level you get. Great to drive, but this is a really nice one right here. But thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you like to shop for a wide variety of BMW products.